Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have Detroit-style Coney dogs. First we got to do is make the Coney sauce, and I do apologize. I don't know what happened, whether the files got corrupted, I forgot to turn the camera on, or what, but I only really had two shots, the starting and the ending. So this is how to make the sauce. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of diced white onions, 2 cloves of garlic that are minced. Basically, you want to start off with those 3 ingredients and kind of stir them around, and then basically you just want to brown the beef. Don't drain it. It's kind of the exception to the rule. Don't drain this. You'll need everything in the pot. Don't worry, it shouldn't be too greasy. Then you're going to want to add the following: 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of cumin, 3/4 of a teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of chipotle powder or cayenne, whichever, if you can't find chipotle powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, a pinch of sugar, a pinch, just a little pinch of red pepper flakes, a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, or tomato puree if you want it a little thicker, and 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard. And then basically you stir all that around and you simmer it on low for about 30 minutes. While this is simmering towards the end, fire up the grill and, grill some hot dogs. Everyone knows how to do that. Alright, so let's go back for assembly. Okay, as you can see here, got our hot dogs all grilled up and ready to go. And then we're going to slop on some of that Detroit-style Coney sauce. Or as it's also known, I think, chili. Then we're going to add some Colby Jack cheese to the top of this. And then we're going to pop this in the microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute. And then just add a few more onions on top. And if you want, some ketchup. And that's really it. Detroit-style Coney dogs. Done.